Welcome back to the SM Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary and exclusive names in the world of hypercars, the Bugatti. Whenever you hear this name, it instantly brings to mind speed, power, exclusivity, and a level of craftsmanship that's almost unmatched in the automotive world. Bugatti isn't just about building fast cars. It's about pushing engineering limits while blending them with art and luxury. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the design, the incredible interior, its jaw-dropping performance, and, of course, the price that comes with owning one of these rare beasts. The first thing that stands out when you look at a Bugatti is the design. The exterior is not only about making a statement, but about perfecting aerodynamics for maximum performance. Bugatti supercars like the Chiron or the latest Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus carry that instantly recognizable horseshoe grille at the front, a feature that has become a design signature for the brand. The flowing lines across the body don't just add beauty. Every curve, every vent, and every panel is sculpted with purpose. The aggressive yet elegant stance makes it look like it's ready to blast down a track even when parked. Lightweight carbon fiber is used extensively across the body, making sure the structure is strong and aerodynamic while keeping weight as low as possible. The rear is dominated by a massive diffuser, a continuous LED light strip, and an exhaust layout that screams performance. Bugatti manages to balance elegance with an intimidating road presence unlike any other car maker. Stepping inside, the interior of a Bugatti supercar is where ultimate luxury meets motorsport precision. You don't just sit inside a Bugatti, you experience it. The cabin is handcrafted with only the finest materials. Soft leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber are used throughout. The seats are designed to keep you comfortable even at insane speeds, while still feeling sporty and supportive. The steering wheel is minimal yet futuristic, giving the driver complete control with easy-to-access buttons and paddle shifters. What's truly impressive is the way Bugatti keeps the interior driver focused and uncluttered, removing unnecessary distractions while still providing elegance. Every switch and dial feels meticulously engineered, reminding you that this is not just a car, it's a masterpiece. Sound insulation is top-notch, but let's be honest, the sound of that W16 engine roaring behind you is the soundtrack you'll want to hear. Now, let's get to the heart of a Bugatti, the performance. This is where the car truly separates itself from almost everything else on the road. Most Bugatti models are powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing well over 500 horsepower. That number alone is enough to leave almost any competitor behind. The acceleration is mind-blowing with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in under 2.5 seconds. The top speeds are equally insane, with models like the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus reaching over 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. The power delivery is smooth yet brutal, and despite the massive size of the engine, the car handles like a dream thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension. Bugatti has engineered its cars not only to be brutally fast in a straight line but also to remain stable and manageable, making them surprisingly comfortable even on long drives. Of course, exclusivity comes with a price, and Bugatti is not for everyone. The price tags of these hypercars easily cross the multi-million-dollar mark. A standard Bugatti Chiron starts at around $3 million, and special editions or limited models can go well beyond that, even into the $5 to $8 million range depending on customization and rarity. And ownership doesn't stop at the purchase price. The maintenance costs are equally extreme, with servicing and parts being astronomically expensive. But for those who can afford it, a Bugatti isn't just a car, it's a statement of ultimate luxury and performance combined. To sum it up, Bugatti represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. It combines breathtaking design, an interior crafted like fine art, and performance figures that defy belief. It's not just about going fast, it's about redefining what's possible in a car. Every Bugatti is rare, powerful, and built to perfection. And for those lucky enough to own one, it's more than just a supercar. It's a piece of automotive history.